All right, Brownsburg, probably pretty similar to Avon, maybe kind of like Avon's little brother or something like that, you know?
Exactly what it is.
So a little, yeah, yeah, a little smaller, 24 homes on the market. But what's curious is, gosh, look at the average rent. It's above Fisher's, or sorry, above Fisher's, above Avon, which
Yeah.
is interesting to me. I kind of honestly would have expected it to be even a little bit less. And the average sales price is almost the same. So Avon is 340, Brownsburg is 339. So that's pretty curious to me. I was not expecting that looking at these numbers. So that's curious and super encouraging out of Brownsburg. And
Yeah.
if you look at the median rental price, it's year over year. It's been consistently over last year, January, February, and March, and the sneak peek continuing into April. So Brownsburg is looking like a pretty good market. Now we don't have average days on the market because it is a smaller submarket, and so there's not as many homes reported as being leased. And so we like to have at least a decent data set to be able to report days on the market. So we're getting some good data. So we don't report, or we don't have days on the market. So I can't tell you what that is, but I can tell you the fundamentals of this market look pretty good.
Yeah, it doesn't surprise me that in this market we're seeing the median rental price over last year, and I would attribute that probably because the new construction that's happened over the last 12 months in this market. So you're getting there's a lot more active homes. I'd be certain than there was a year ago. So
Yeah.
and Brownsburg, like you said, it's the little brother of Avon. Great school system still. And what I think Brownsburg has of it, and this could be my own feelings towards it, just living here in the Indianapolis area. But Brownsburg has that outdoorsy vibe to it. So you get everything, all the quality, or what I would consider quality in my opinion anyway, whatever that's worth is relative, but the quality of Avon. And then you also have the outdoorsy Eagle Creek over there. So that leads me to believe that the average rents are probably going to be maintained a little bit higher than even
Yeah.
the Avon area. So at least that's what I'm going to attribute it to. And then it's hard for me not to mention when I see numbers like this. I mean, your average sales price, your investor point of view at 339, 131, up 12% year over year. Who cares about
That's
month over
huge.
month for your sales price? It's up 12% year over year. That's incredible.
That's huge. And again, this is another stable, good market, good schools, good families, typically good renters. So again, pretty low risk. So I mean, gosh, that's amazing. 12% on that is great.